Teacher Machika here. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. In this video, let's do drawings. Let's draw some Jack-O-Lanterns because it's almost Halloween. この動画ではこれらの Jack-O-Lanterns 一緒に描いていきます。Alright, so if you're ready, please get a paper and a pencil. Let's get started. Hey everyone, happy Halloween. Today, let's draw 3 different types of Jack-O-Lantern. We will draw one in the middle, and here, and here. Alright, so get yourself a white piece of paper and pencils. Let's start. Let's start from the middle one. I'm going to make this pumpkin nice and fat. Yes, it can be any shape. Yeah, there's so many different shapes of pumpkins. There's no right or wrong. I'm going to keep the top side open because I want to draw something later. Okay, now let's draw eyes. I want this Jack-O-Lantern to have triangle eyes. And how about a little long triangle nose? And, well, happy Jack-O-Lantern. I want happy one. Okay, so a big, nice, smiley mouth. But to make it a little spooky, how about you put this kind of shape up and down. Maybe it looks a little spooky, right? Okay, now on this middle Jack-O-Lantern, I'm thinking we can give him a hat. A hat of guess what? Ta-da! A witch hat. It's cute. Maybe I can put some belt here. Belt. For the witch hat. All right. I'm going to color inside later with a marker. Okay, so I'm going to keep it white on the inside. Let's work on the other Jack-O-Lanterns on the side. So here, I'm going to make a long, slim Jack-O-Lantern. How about a very different shape like this one? Whoa. Yeah? Have you seen these kind of pumpkins before? It's a squash, is it? Squash? You can see these kind of pumpkins in overseas. 海外ではこういう形のパンプキンは結構売ってるんですが、日本ではあんまり見ないかな。Yes, a long one. Okay. Why don't we put oval shape eyes and a nose, triangle nose. How about we draw a big mouth for him? A big mouth with some teeth. Cute. And we will draw him a little top. Yeah. And last, so happy, very happy. Happy. How about an angry one on the side? So for this one, I'm going to make it a different size. Whoa. This is like a normal shape of a pumpkin, maybe. All right. I'm gonna make him angry. Put the stem. Yes. Angry face. So upside down triangle might be nice. Whoa. He looks angry already. I wonder why he's so angry. Okay, and a nose. Why don't we give him a zigzag mouth like this? Zigzag, 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 zig. Whoa. He does look a little scary. All right, so 1, 2, 3 Jack-O-Lanterns. We did it. Now, of course, you can finish here, but I'm going to outline and give it some color. And we're finished. All right, everyone. So how was today's drawing? Jack-O-Lantern. みんな今日はどうでしたか? Art has no right or wrong. There's no good or bad. Art is free. お絵かきに上手も下手くそもありません。お絵かきは自由です。どんなジャック・オ・ランタンになったとしても世界に一つだけの作品です。So, if you enjoyed this drawing video, don't forget to give me a like. こういうお絵かきの動画また見たいという人はぜひいいねで教えてくださいね。So, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. See you! Bye!
チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。